I never want to have kids. Holy shit.
I want to do the helicopter.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
What's the helicopter?
Throw me up in the air.
Do you have to catch him?
Your dad's got a bad back, kid. What about you?
Me first. Me first.
No, me
On
first.
second thought, I think I'll do the dishes.
I want to do the helicopter.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
All right. Fuck her. Jesus.
It's not his birthday.
Well, the birthday boy will get. Whoa.
Slam dunk him. There's a basketball net there.
This is an awkward moment. You see this, son? I want you to remember this. My dad did this to me once.
And I always remembered it.
3 hours of this. This was my childhood. What? Oh. Oh yeah.
Geez.
Oh. Grabbing my kid.
Oh God.
Okay. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh God. Oh fuck. Oh, check out what a man your father is. 20 reps.
Okay, Sean,
Okay.
get ready. Here we go.
Worst shoulder ride ever.
Wow, easy to please, man.
See if you can run underneath a low branch. Oh, no, apparently
Wait,
not.
here we go. Go towards this tree. And think.
Oh, come on!
Oh man. What do you think, your old man now? Huh? Bad right hit my ass. It's a perfectly normal plane ride.
Now don't play with the other kid. It's his birthday.
All right.
It's my turn
I have
now.
no choice.
Oh.
We're gonna sit here. And we're gonna think about this. Oh, she's liking it. But she's waiting on those plates. Staring them down. Yeah, that's right, kid. Yeah, what do you think, your old man, huh?
Good times, huh?
Come on.
All right, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
You ready for this?
It,
Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm ready. Do it, Dad. All right, then. This is going to be the ride of your life. All right, Dad. All right. Good. Dad. You ready?
Oh,
Dad, let me go, please. Let me go. You don't get dinner until you can break from your old man's grasp. My dad did this to me. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is the most fun I've ever had. Oh, that sucked, man.
yeah.
Nice endurance there, Pop.
Call that playing with your kids?
What was that?
It's basically a shove.
Be
I'll
careful,
teach
hang
ya.
on.
oh yeah.
Whoa. Ooh. Speed. Fuck. Look at my face. You can do this.
You can do this.
You can do this, man.
Don't fuck it up.
Kids are watching. You're gonna look like a pussy if you can't do this.
They'll never respect you.
Fuck. Concentrate. There you go, kids.
Oh, God.
Father of the year. Look at the way the kids are looking at me.
Wow, he is not having fun. This is the worst birthday ever.
There you go. Oh, fuck. Oh, kid, it is on.
This time you're done for.
Oh,
No.
You'll pay for all your crimes, evil one.
you're dead.
Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Time. Oh, it's gonna be like juggling. Yep. Oh, fuck, man. Come on.
You're gonna accidentally kill your kid. Dude, kid.
Hoya!
Oh, shit.
I am victorious.
Watch out.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh.
Eat it. Eat it, you little shit. Oh, what? I did it.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, Jason.
Yeah.
Pay for that.
Come on.
Sweep the leg, Johnny. Yeah.
You are a dick father.
Yeah.
Bring it on, you little shit.
Continue.
Oh.
Go, Jason.
Oh, strength battle?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what's the matter? Oh, big deal.
My life.
That's right. Maybe you'll put on another 30 years before you try that again, huh,
Food's
kid?
ready, kids.
You coming in?
Yeah, I look pretty satisfied
Yeah,
with myself,
totally.
too. Yeah. That's right. The old man still got it.
Thanks for your help.
Yep.
I took care of the plates myself
Oh.
while you were playing with the kids.
Oh.
Shut up, shut up, shut up! Turn on the music.
I was trying to turn on the TV.
Oh, it's not letting
Aw,
ya.
man.
Sean, lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Oh, I thought you were Sean.
Just sit down.
See if I can. Oh man, what the fuck?
Yeah. Looks like you're gonna have to.
Sick of you. So sick of you. What? No, nothing. I'll go get him.
Right away.
Fucking bitch. I guess he's upstairs. Oh,
Ethan.
Why
please
isn't
get
Sean at the table?
now.
He should
The
be
meal's
around
gonna
here
be
somewhere.
cold.
Do-do-do-do.
Uh-oh. Did he kill the bird?
what you did, you little
Fucking
jerk.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin.
Who?
He's dead.
Merlin?
Yeah.
He's dead and it's all my
Oh,
fault.
Sean, it's not
No,
your
it's not, Sean. Of course it's not
He's
your
been
fault.
in the house for 2
I
minutes.
did.
And he killed the fucking bird.
You know,
We'll bring him
Sean,
back with magic, Sean.
There's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
Put him in a box.
It's not fair,
Leave him
Dad.
under your bed, and in the morning,
It's
if you
not
loved
fair.
him enough, he'll be back to life again.
Wake up in the morning. Looks like you didn't have enough love.
It's like you didn't love him. And let me tell you something, you'll never have enough love. Oh no! Can I pause? Yeah, I can. All right. Feels like this is a. Oh wait. You chat. Ah, we'll watch for a bit here. We'll pause here. We'll take a break. I want to make them 10-minute segments, I think, because everything's got so much like perfect segmentable stuff that you can like title. Anyways, we'll be back after this with more Video Games Awesome Live Heavy Rain.